The impact of employee turnover is an organizational issue that KM has been trying to resolve since its inception. What are your views and recommendations around managing workforce turnover and knowledge loss?
The issues of workforce turnover and knowledge loss are part of every single organization, public sector, private sector. The great challenge is when organizations don't have consistent or disciplined processes for capturing, adapting, transferring, and setting up for reuse the knowledge of the organization, what the organization knows about what it does. Very often when people talk about workforce turnover and knowledge loss, they focus solely on the idea that people are retiring from the workforce. For my generation, the boomer generation, there's a big concern that when people leave the organization and they retire, they take all that knowledge with them when they walk out the door. This is true, but workforce turnover is more than just retirement. Workforce turnover is a function of promotion, people changing careers, changing jobs, and people leave the workforce for a variety of other reasons. And what you have to remember is that when a person leaves the workforce or leaves the organization, knowledge is also leaving the organization at the same time. So you have to think, people leave, knowledge leaves, and how are you going to mitigate the risk that they are walking out the door with critical knowledge that an organization needs either to deliver its mission and for private sector organizations maintaining a competitive advantage. We know that the issues of workforce turnover and knowledge loss are not only a workforce issue, but they're also a leadership issue, because leadership does transition just as the workforce does. So the challenge becomes, how do you mitigate that loss? And one of the most effective ways is to ensure that your organization has a consistent and disciplined framework for capturing the knowledge of the organization, what they know about what they do. They're able to make sense out of that knowledge. They're able to set it up for access and reuse by members of the organization. Organizations that fail to focus on these issues of workforce turnover and knowledge loss are in for huge additional costs, and in some cases can actually go out of business. We know from the tragedies of 9/11 in the United States that those organizations that were in the World Trade Center that had not backed up the intellectual capital or the tacit knowledge of that organization, they had huge problems in trying to reconstitute their leadership. Most organizations will back up the hard stuff. They'll back up the software, they'll back up the hardware, they'll back up some of their supply chain stuff. But what the organizations don't focus on, which is really critical, is where 80% of the value of the organization lies, and that's in the head knowledge, what the people know about what they do, who do they talk to, the decision trees. That intellectual capital, that tacit knowledge, it's very important that that become a focus, and one of the ways to mitigate the risk of workforce turnover and knowledge loss due to normal turnover or to catastrophic events is to be able to ensure that there is a framework involved that allows people to capture, adapt, transfer, and reuse knowledge on a regular and consistent basis.